Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're pulling apart a brand new Facebook pitch called the Japanese pink salt trick. They say it melts fat faster than Ozempic or Mounja Root using stuff already in your fridge. Let's see what's really going on. First, the ad. It's a short vertical video titled Pink Salt Trick with fire and salt emojis. A woman in glasses claims she dropped from 179 to 126 in 2 weeks. She even promises to buy you a Mounja Root pen if it doesn't work. But here's the kicker. The profile photo for the page shows a completely different woman. Someone is paying for ads, yet can't keep the face consistent. Red flag number 1, I click Learn More and land on naturalhealthrecipe.com. Huge headline screams, never mix this pink salt with these 3 ingredients if you don't want to lose 24 pounds in 15 days. Under that, pretty much nothing but an embedded video. No author bio, no links, no studies. Just a name, Kate Miller. You can't highlight any text because the whole page is actually images. Even the comments are fake. They're just pictures of comments, so you can't like or reply. Shady Site 101. I sat through the entire video so you don't have to. They flash Today Show and CNN logos, drop celebrity before and after photos, and promise you'll learn the recipe in 60 seconds, then drag it out for 15 minutes. Spoiler, they never reveal the recipe. Instead, a button appears, Add to Cart. Clicking that button sends me to a sales page for a pill called Mounja Root. Prices start at $49 a bottle if you buy 6 bottles. There's a fake countdown timer, FDA Registered Facility badges, and a so-called 90-day money-back guarantee. Notice anything? The magic salt recipe is nowhere on this page. They've already moved on. Let's check the facts they brag about. They claim 9,212 happy customers, yet Trustpilot has 0 reviews for the site and 0 for Mounja Root. A quick WHOIS lookup shows the domain was registered on March 20th, 2025, and the owner's name is hidden. Legitimate companies don't hide. Scams do. Here are the biggest red flags, plain and simple. 1. The speaker and the profile photo don't match. 2. Miracle timeline. 53 pounds gone in 2 weeks. 3. Fake authority. Harvard, Oxford, and the Today Show with no proof. 4. All text and comments are images. You can't interact. 5. Hard sell checkout page with random trust badges. 6. Brand new throwaway domain and no company info. Bottom line, the Japanese pink salt trick is another scam designed to lure people into buying overpriced supplements. If you already handed over money, call your bank right now and dispute the charge. Keep an eye on future statements. These sites love surprise rebills.